Hi, I'm Gary Wheeler. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 gluten-free products that I would eat even if I didn't have to restrict my diet. You know, too often people associate gluten-free with taste-free. And although that has been and can still be an issue in some cases, significant strides have been made with today's products to satisfy that desire for great taste. Now, I had to modify my diet, but like anyone, I didn't want to feel penalized or deprived. I wanted to enjoy my food just like I did before. Well, now I can, because these 3 companies have raised the bar. After my diagnosis, one of the first things I missed was pizza. Previously, I would eat pizza at least once a week. It's quick, convenient, and most importantly, tastes great. Now, some companies have tried valiantly to duplicate that recipe as gluten-free, but the pizza crust itself usually falls flat. Quite literally, it just doesn't rise to the occasion. Plus, you have to be concerned with its preparation. Is it baked in a dedicated oven, or is there a chance for cross-contamination? I'm very concerned about that because there are products marked gluten-free that I still have a problem with. And I'm assuming it's a factory packaging cross-contamination issue. And then one day I found Share gluten-free pizza crusts. These make the best homemade pizzas. Each package comes with 2 crusts individually sealed in a modified atmosphere, so they can be stored in a cool, dry place. Unopened, you don't need to refrigerate. They're formed with a nice recessed center, so they easily capture and hold the sauce. Though sometimes I prepare my own sauce, I'll frequently buy a gluten-free pizza sauce in a glass jar. Be careful of canned tomato products. You can research about BPA linings in food cans. Next, I add some Cabot Monterey Jack cheese. No mozzarella, you ask? Well, you can use whatever cheese you prefer. I use Monterey Jack because Cabot's brand is naturally lactose-free. Now, the crusts do contain some milk, so you'll still need to be aware of that if you also have a lactose problem. Ideally, I would prefer a cheese from a grass-fed cow that has been raised free of steroids and hormones. But again, it's your body, your choice. While preparing that, I'll grill up some ground bison or organic ground beef. Once browned, I'll add the meat and sprinkle some additional cheese on top to seal it in. Bake for 15 minutes, and I've satisfied my desire for a great tasting, safe, and healthy pizza. Now, if you're looking for other bread products, Share bakes an impressive line of gluten-free goods. I also enjoy their hamburger and hot dog rolls. I toast the rolls and add the fixins. Occasionally, I'll cook a hot dog, add some pizza sauce and shredded cheese, and put it back in the oven for 5 minutes. Delicious. No penalty there. Share has been a great find. I think you'll enjoy their products. For more information, check with your local grocer, organic market, or go online to www.share.com. Enjoy your gluten-free lifestyle. Great taste is on the shelf.